Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you 5 fun projects you can do using ChatGPT, the powerful language model from OpenAI. Number 1. Text generation. ChatGPT can generate text on a wide range of topics, from poems to jokes, to short stories, and even articles. To showcase this capability, let's write a love poem using ChatGPT. With just one simple prompt, ChatGPT generated a beautiful love poem. Imagine the possibilities of what you can create with this tool. Number 2. Translation. ChatGPT can also translate text from one language to another. Let's try translating a simple sentence from English to Spanish. With ChatGPT, you can easily translate text, making it a useful tool for language learners, or for bridging the language gap between people who speak different languages. Number 3. Chatbot. Do you know you can build your own chatbot using ChatGPT? With its advanced natural language processing abilities, ChatGPT can understand and respond to questions on a wide range of topics. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can answer any questions you have, all powered by ChatGPT. Number 4. Summarization. ChatGPT can also summarize long pieces of text into shorter, more concise versions. Let's try summarizing a news article about the latest developments in the tech industry. With ChatGPT's summarization abilities, you can save time and stay up to date on the latest news and developments in any industry. Finally, number 5. ChatGPT can also be used to create an AI-powered question answering system. With its vast knowledge base, ChatGPT can answer questions on a wide range of topics, from science to history, to pop culture. ChatGPT's question answering abilities make it a valuable tool for research and education, providing quick and accurate answers to any questions you have.
And there you have it. 5 fun projects you can do using ChatGPT right now. From text generation to language translation, chatbots to summarization, and question answering, ChatGPT has a wide range of capabilities that can be used for a variety of purposes. So why not give it a try and see what you can create with this powerful language model? Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, I'm here to help, so if you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below.